Hello there guys, good morning. Welcome to Balayng Sungayan Highland Resort located at Gihogan City, Negros Island region. So ito yung update guys, pinaka-latest. Ito yung unang swimming pool at may second swimming pool pa sa baba. Ayan, makikita nyo ang cottage. Ito yung terrace, no? The other side of viewing the pool, no? Ayan, so walang laman yung unang swimming pool. Yung pangalawa lang ang meron kung saan maraming naliligo. At yan ang overlooking views above the sea level, no? Alright. So, maganda dito guys para sa inyong mga special vacations. No? Kitang-kita ang terrace kung saan maraming tao. Back to the view, overlooking views again. Ayan. And over the cottages. So thank you so much for watching. This has been your host, the old Mr. Cole of the Hungan City. Bye bye.